Welcome to Production Time Study. In this demo, we're going to showcase how our app revolutionizes productivity measurement by conducting a time study of a subway train task. Stay tuned to see how it works. Hit Edit Time Study, even if it's a new study. See how voice can be used to write the tasks. It can be edited anytime, allowing you to reorder, add, or remove task elements later.
Waiting time. Warning before closing the door. Closing the door. Transit between stations.
Let's start the time study by hitting the start button and recording laps or splits when each element is finished. You can also add comments. In this case, I am including the subway station name. The best way to ensure accurate time studies in the app is by always paying attention to the next task label. While the stopwatch is running, you can access other tabs in the app, such as the time log, where you can change or add comments, or delete an element that you do not want to consider in the study. In the Summary tab, you have access to all the updated averages. The app can run in the background, with a tolerance time of 1 hour. There is also a Settings tab where you can define non-cyclic time that you might use to replace an element. For example, if the train stops and does not open the door, this break in the cycle can be replaced by one of those defined non-cyclic times. I will add leaving the station as a non-cyclic event since I want to measure this. The train has stopped at the last station, and I am now leaving the station. Therefore, I am replacing the current element with one of the non-cyclic options, specifically leaving the station. I will then press the Replace button to select this option. You will notice that when I press Segregate, the previous task is triggered. I press Segregate when I leave the station, and then I stop the stopwatch. Afterward, I can check the other tabs and the Summary tab. I can also send the email report with the CSV file attached. The HTML body is easy to copy from the email to the spreadsheet using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Additionally, note that I can delete the last element in the time log. I highly recommend saving the time study if you plan to conduct a similar study with the same elements. For example, when loading a saved time study, you can see that you have the option to reset all the records and make minor changes in the Edit Time Study section.